In the quest for efficiency and automation, AI tools are born. They streamline processes, eliminate repetitive tasks, and enhance decision-making across industries. But the magic doesn't stop there. AI can personalize your world, tailoring everything from product recommendations to your daily newsfeed, even your learning materials. But what about the bigger picture? AI is a crucial ally in tackling grand challenges from climate change to disease prediction, even resource management. As the globe grows increasingly competitive, nations and businesses alike turn to AI, investing heavily in research and development to stay ahead. Yet, automation brings its own concerns. Will jobs be displaced? Possibly, but new opportunities arise, demanding fresh skill sets. And as AI becomes more ingrained in society, we must address ethical considerations, from bias and privacy to control over AI systems. Every second, AI shapes our world, satisfying human needs, sparking human desires. It's a story that never ends, a tale of efficiency, personalization, problem-solving, competition, job dynamics, and ethics. Welcome to the AI revolution.